Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of a cluttered workspace? The Mount-It, Ergonomic laptop arm for wall or pole is here to revolutionize your setup. This game-changing product lets you lift your laptop off the surface, giving you a cleaner and more organized workspace, whether you're in a clinic, home office, or studio. With the ability to mount on a wall or a round pole, you have the freedom to install it anywhere you need it, and the best part is, both brackets are included in the box. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. For one, it gives you a full range of motion, allowing you to swivel 180 degrees, tilt from +90 to -45 degrees, and extend up to 21.8 inches, so you can bring your laptop closer or push it out of the way with ease. The spring arm keeps your laptop planted where you set it, instead of drifting or drooping, and the tension adjusts at the arm bolts, so you can make it easier or firmer to move to match how you like to work. This laptop arm is designed to hold firm, with a sturdy tray and hold-down supports to keep your machine in place, and it's sized to fit everyday laptops from 10 to 15.6 inches. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, whether that's in an RV or reception desk, with your laptop floating right where you need it, and the space underneath reclaimed for other important things. The Mount-It, Ergonomic laptop arm for wall or pole is a total winner, and it's a must-have for anyone looking to free up their desk and work more efficiently. With its sturdy build, easy setup, and stream-ready design, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.